Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2010 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a 6.4 Power Stroke diesel, two-wheel drive. It's got 171,000 miles on it. The engine was replaced with a Ford reman engine around a year ago. I don't think it has that many miles, probably 20,000 miles. It's a really nice truck. It's got a Powfinger PSC 3200 crane and a VMAX hydraulic air compressor with a hose and reel. It's a one-owner truck. It belonged to BNSF Railroad. Air conditioning, cruise control, vinyl seats, vinyl mat. Got a nice set of tires all the way around. Vice hydraulic outrigger. While I'm walking around showing you, if you're looking at this truck out of state and you want to have it shipped, I can ship this truck straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.25 to $1.50 a mile. I'm in Anniston, Alabama. So, if you want to come here and drive it home, you're welcome to do that. You got to pick it up Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. There's no exception to that rule. That's what time you got to pick it up if you want to come here and get it. All right, I'm gonna kick the PTO on, show you the crane. All right, bring her down. Up. Winch down, side to side. And this is proportion control, so you control how fast the crane goes. Down. Winch up. Alright. Turn your air compressor on. You got a valve here. You have to pull it, and then you have to turn it on here. Highlights on this one. Really nice truck. When it come in, we didn't have to do anything to it. It was ready to go. So It's 11-foot bed, 3,200 pound crane, hydraulic air compressor, hose and reel. 2010 model truck, 170 on it, but the engine was replaced, like I said, about a year ago. And runs out and drives really nice. Air works, heat, all that stuff works like it should, radio. So, all right, if you're interested, give us a call. Thanks for watching.